To change the background color in Canva video, let's come over to the create sign here and come over to videos. We want to open a blank video document. From here, I'm going to click on this plus sign here. I will click on it and click on blank. So now I have the option to click this color, background color that is white, and I will change it into whatever color that catches my attention. If I choose this color, that's the color the background will have. But say we give it a black color and I want to drop in a video into this background, I will go over to the element tab where I have a video I want to use. Let me click on my recently used videos and I want to select this video. I will hold it and drag it to drop it into this blank page we created. You see it has dropped, and if we go into the color here, we can see that the background color of our video is black. If we want to use this further, we can come into the transparency and tune down so you see that black color begin to take effect in our video. And if I come over to color again and choose a different color, you see the color of my background begins to change. You want to do that for all your clips. I will add in a blank page, add a blank page. See, when you add a new blank page, it's going to pick up the white color. You want to come into the color again and select the color you want to go with. Go back to where you have your video and drag your video into your page. You see that arrow that is facing each other here? It drops into the page. Something to note is that each of these blank pages are 5 seconds. So if your video is longer than 5 seconds, it's going to trim that down to 5 seconds. So to expand that, you want to come over to trim here to see the length of your video. You can see that the length of this video is wider, and if we pull it out like so, you will see that our video has expanded, and we can click on done. This brings out every portion of our video. And if we do that for this, come to this trim scissors here and pull out all the parts of our video, and we'll click on done, and you see it has brought out this portion of our video out. This is how to change the background color in Canva video.